What is going on, everybody? Fibs and Profits here. So the new thing on the block is a Ravencoin Lite. I was going to throw this quick video out there because I actually couldn't find the answer. So I wanted to walk myself through and ultimately try to figure out how to put a Ravencoin wallet Lite on my Mac OS. So I do have a couple of Windows base computers, and obviously, of course, for the mining rigs. But my main computer that I use is this really decked out Mac Mini. So let's go through it. The first thing that we need to do in here, you know what, I'm going to share my desktop so that way. There we go. All right. First thing we got to do is we have to come over here to Ravencoin Lite's site, and this is where you can get the download. So right here on ravencoinlite.org, and I'll drop these links down below. You come over to wallet. All right, from wallet you'll have, it's going to be the GitHub site right here, Ravencoin Lite core, right under wallets, and you'll see there's a couple options. Right, this is actually just came out 3 days ago, the new release for Mac OS. So you're going to go ahead, come here to download the zip file. Once that comes out, what I like to do, just throw it here on my desktop. From there, I'm just going to unzip it. All right, once it's unzipped, the next thing I have to do, right, is we're going to open it up, and you'll see that there's two files here, right? The one that we care about is this raven/qt. I'm just going to put it here on my desktop. All right, so once I get that open, all right, the next thing that I need to do is I need to change. So when you just go to get info, come over here, and you're just going to add a .app to the back of it. All right, that's going to be the executable file because it's obviously in a Windows-based exe file. All right, so once you do that, do you want to add the extension .app? Hit yes. So if I go to it right now and double click on it, you're going to see it says I don't have permission to do this. So this is how you're going to walk around this. All right. From there, open up terminal. All right. And from terminal, all right. And I'm going to drop this. I'll drop the code in there. But what you want to do is essentially you're going to do sudo. Hold on. Bear with me. Sorry. Okay. So you're going to do sudo space spctl, another space, master disable. Okay. And hold on, no such file, no such job. Okay, bear with me here. Hold on. Okay, so again, sudo spctl space master disable. Okay, and then obviously I'm going to put my password in. There we go. Okay, so now I've got that in. The next thing I need to do, right, is I'm going to first find, you got to find your user information right on it. So the easiest thing to do is this. So come over here to Finder, right? If you come over here to Finder, especially if you're not really familiar with this, go to your desktop, and obviously you could see that I have that documented there. Okay. If you go over to view options and you just show the path bar, right? So if I hide it, it'll take away this stuff right here. But this is the important thing. So user, obviously my computer name is Fibs and Profits. It's under desktop and then raven-qt, right? That's ultimately what you're going to have to put in. So again, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the code in, and just to save time, this is the code right here. I'll drop it down below. You're just going to put your sudo chmod -r755 and then space your users, the username of the computer. It's in desktop. It's raven-qt.app. So I'm going to go ahead and throw that in. And now when I double click on this, right, it should give me cannot be verified, right? So what I need to do is this, go over to our settings page, right? Over to settings on the Mac, bring that open. come over to security and privacy, and now you're going to see that I can open anyway, right? So go ahead and click open anyway. And there we go. Okay. So you got to run that command first. Otherwise, it's not going to give you the option to allow it to run from App Store or identified developers. The other thing too is, I don't know if you may not have this, before you run this into terminal, go ahead into your security and privacy and make sure that it's not clicked on just the App Store, that it's App Store and identified developers. Okay. So once you get that going, go ahead and use default data directory, hit OK. And now it's going to run your Ravencoin Lite core. All right. Do you want to use this application for incoming connection? Yes. And now this is going to take some time. All right. So once that's all done, you just go through the prompts and it's pretty self-explanatory. All right. If you like the video, and this helped you out, go ahead and give me a like. And if you want some more information on the Ravencoin Lite stuff, I'll be dropping some more videos. Just click subscribe and you'll get some notifications on it. The next thing I'm going to be doing is a video on both Ravencoin Lite CPU mining as well as GPU mining. I've got a couple of GPUs that I'm going to be using to mine Ravencoin Lite. That being said, thank you very much. And if you have any comments or questions, you can drop it in the link below. Have a good one.